Good day. Can you tell me something about yourself?
Good day, ma'am, sir. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself in your family. I hope you are in good condition while watching my video. My reference number is CL1069, 23 years old, single parent with one child. I am a high school graduate. I have working experience in Philippines as a domestic helper for 2 years. And I serve 4 members of the family. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, ironing, marketing, cleaning the house, taking care of the children.
Okay, CL1069, how old are you?
23 years old, ma'am.
What is your marital status?
I'm single, ma'am.
How many kids you have?
1, ma'am.
How old is your child?
3 years old, ma'am.
If you are going to Hong Kong, how will you look after your child?
My parents, ma'am.
What is your educational attainment?
I am a high school graduate, ma'am.
Why do you want to work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong?
I want to help my family and for the education of my child.
How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants my service, ma'am.
You mentioned a while ago that you work as a housemaid, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How many years?
2 years, ma'am.
How many members did you serve in the family?
I serve 4 members of the family.
Who are they?
1 couple and 2 children.
What are the ages of the 2 kids?
8 years old and 5 years old.
What is your main duties again?
My main duties are cooking, cleaning the house, washing clothes, marketing, ironing, and taking care of the children.
How many times do you do cooking a day?
I cook 3 times a day.
Did you cook alone or with your madam?
Sometimes, ma'am, with madam, and sometimes I cook alone.
How about marketing? How many times you go to the market?
I go to market thrice a week, ma'am.
Going to the market alone or with your employer?
Alone, ma'am.
What time did you wake up and what time did you sleep at night?
I wake up in morning at 5 a.m. ma'am, and I sleep at 10 p.m.
What kind of house do you have?
A flat house with 3 bedrooms, ma'am.
Do you have your own room?
Yes, ma'am.
How many maids in your employer's house?
I'm the only maid, ma'am.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you the one who took care of your child since birth?
Yes, ma'am.
So you know how to take care of the newborn baby.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me how do you take care?
By bathing the baby every day, changing diaper, changing clothes, sterilize the bottles of the milk, put the baby to sleep, and feed the baby every day.
What if your madam is not in the house and the baby gets sick? What will you do?
I will immediately inform to my employer that the baby is sick and ask if there is any medicine available in their home.
What if the baby falls from the sofa? What will you do?
I will check the baby if he or she is hurt, and I will immediately report to my employer what was happened.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
How can you handle naughty kids?
I'll be patient, ma'am, and I will treat them like my own children.
Are you willing to accept the job offer with children together with your grandparents in the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook Chinese dishes?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of Chinese dishes you can cook?
Fried chicken, kantong, and chop suey, ma'am.
Are you willing to learn more?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your religion?
I'm a Roman Catholic, ma'am.
Any day of the off is okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to request a Sunday off in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to accept the job offer if your madam give you a cash payment in exchange of your holiday?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any household works you don't like or you don't want to do?
None, ma'am. I can manage all the household works, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs or other pets?
No, ma'am.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will keep myself busy, ma'am.
Can you follow all your employer's lifestyle and cook according to their taste?
Yes, ma'am.
Your future employer is watching to you right now. Do you have any message for them?
Sir, ma'am, please give me a chance to work with your family. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless.
For recommend this applicant, CL1069, she is 23 years old, a mother of one child, age 3 years old, a high school graduate, to work as a local maid with Finnish contract. If this applicant is given a chance to work in Hong Kong, I assure you that you can handle all these jobs. Thank you and good luck.